threatening northern Nigeria. Our region faces unique challenges from insecurity to economic disparities. As leaders, we recognize the need for collective actions to address these challenges. We urge President Tinubu administration to implement policies that address our region's specific needs. We request increased military presence and community-led initiatives to enhance security, particularly in the face of persistent threats from banditry, kidnapping, and terrorism. We also propose investment in agriculture, education, and entrepreneurship programs to stimulate economic development and address poverty and unemployment. Furthermore, we advocate for improved access to quality education and vocational training to address the alarming rates of out-of-school children in northern Nigeria. We also recommend increased funding for primary healthcare facilities and personnel to strengthen healthcare infrastructure and services. We acknowledge President Tinubu's effort to prioritize funding for agriculture and education, as well as maintaining good relations with Nigeria's neighbors. The prioritizations of the Sokoto-Badagry Highway and the Trans-Saharan Highway and measures to fast-track the completion of the Ajaokuta Steel Complex are commendable. However, we urge the President to reconsider policies that may negatively impact northern Nigeria, such as inadequate funding for critical infrastructure and social services, insufficient representations in key government policies, positions, and lack of support for regional economic development initiatives. To address insecurity, we plan to host a security summit, bringing together at least 5,000 grassroots and community leaders across the 19 northern states and the Federal Capital Territory. This summit will be held after consultation with security heads and critical stakeholders. We aim to discuss community-led initiatives to enhance security, identify areas of collaboration with security agencies, and develop a comprehensive plan to address insecurity in northern Nigeria. We believe that by working together, we can create a brighter future for northern Nigeria and contribute a more prosperous, united Nigeria, a more prosperous, united Nigeria. We urge President Tinubu to implement policies that address our region specific needs and look forward to collaborating with his administration. Thank you very much, and God bless us all. The Arewa Grassroot Leaders Assembly is an organization that will serve as the true emissary of the people of our peoples in the north. When our plan to embark on this summit is to make sure that we bring all the notable grassroots leaders across board from the various communities in the north together to give them the necessary information that is already part of our strategies on how to curb the issue of the insecurity in the north. The summit will further bring to the people the direct message from the government to the grassroots on how or modalities that one needs to embark on to secure their environment and to also help the government in nipping the issue of the insecurity in the north. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as Arewa Grassroot leaders, we are aware of what is happening in the north as regarding the issue of insecurity. And one of the major reasons why we are representing our people in the north is because we have plans on ground to see how we can be able to influence the government to have a wonderful relationship with the grassroots leaders on how to get some necessary information to nip the issue of insecurity in the north. And one of our major plans is to see how, it is a known fact that grassroots leaders are everywhere. These are people that are the closest people to the people at the grassroots level. They have the information of the people in their environment and everything that is happening in our various communities. We know some people, we know everybody, we know their characters, we know how they behave. The information from the Grassroots Leaders Assembly, the Grassroots Leaders members to the government will help in making sure that the issue of insecurity in the north becomes the issue of the past. And also have many other plans that we cannot expose at the moment, but like we have as part of our plan to meet with the security heads and the people that matters in the government, those that want the best for our people in the north, we have many other strategies that we wish to discuss with them, and we hope that by the time we discuss all of that issue with them, the issue of the insecurity in the north will become the thing of the past. Then secondly, you made mention of the issue of the federal character as regarding the issue of the fact that I said earlier that the North are behind in terms of employment in the present administration. The fact remains that if they think that the candidate does not feel the pain, the stone that breaks it to get feel it. It's a known fact that almost all the appointments that have been on, well, it's a good thing that you have to employ or to engage people that are really good in their various endeavors, people that are good in their field, to do some certain things in the government, to carry out some government job for the federal government. But at in the same vein, putting federal character into consideration, considering the fact that we, the Northerners, comprise of our 19 states and the federal capital territory, if you put all of that into consideration, you agree with me that we as Northerners are not comfortable with the nature, with the numbers of our people that are employed in the government. We need more than that, even though we know the best administrations have tried their best, but we are urging them to try more. Then the third question is the issue of, please remind me please, the issue of